Hello guys, welcome once again. Today I am going to talk about how you can actually make money with YouTube. Many people have been here for so many time, and in fact I can say that they've spent my time watching videos, creating channels and all those things, but they still don't know how they can actually make money from YouTube. Today on our title we're going to talk about that. So if you've developed at least a desire, passion, creating videos on YouTube, then you could know how you can monetize those videos and make money as well. Now let me talk to you about the first option, which is the Google monetization. The Google monetization means what? It means that Google wants you to just create the videos. Okay, you just create the videos. You can see from here, you have a lot of Nigerian films, a lot of other football matches. We have motivational stuffs, wisdom stuffs, and a lot more. Now what happens here is that whenever you watch all these videos, or when you watch some of these videos, you actually see some adverts that comes either at first, or around the video, or whilst you're watching, the adverts will come. What that means is that immediately, immediately those you watch those adverts, Google pays the owner of that advert. You understand? Immediately you watch them, Google pays the owner of that advert. So let me just look around and see some of those videos, and then you could see. Now let's look at. Okay, I think let's look at this guy. Let's look at. Okay, let's look at this video. I'm actually looking for some of the videos with the ads so that you can actually see things by yourself. Okay, it comes when you are actually watching the video. It may be by the side of the video and a lot more. The only thing that happens here is that the owner of that particular video gets something. Okay, Google pays the person when a video is watched, when a person click on the advert and a lot more. So that is the Google advert, Google monetization. Okay, that is the Google monetization. So let's look at this one and see. This video is having 11,694,730 views. Okay, so let's look at it. Is the person having a monetization? Okay, now let's look at it. This is actually, it can be a game. Okay, that could be a game, a certain app, and you can see from here it's written ad 11 seconds or something like that with a website here. Okay, so this is the ad. If you skip it, the person won't get paid. So for just having that kind of, for the work that they are doing, I think you have to leave it to work, watch it, so that they can also get something and use that money to actually create more videos for you. Okay, so you can see it's a game. Okay, and they are advertising so that you can actually download on your phone and watch the video as the game, play the game as well. Okay, so this is one part. You can also see from this side we have the same ad over here, and it's written play now. Okay, and it is a Google AdSense ad. Okay, so this is one form or one way to get paid on YouTube. So after the ad is gone, now the main video will come. Okay, actually I'm not here to watch the video. So all that I can say is that if you know you are good standing in before cameras and all those things, don't leave this opportunity to fail. Kindly get yourself a YouTube channel. Okay, get yourself a YouTube channel. That is not all. Number two is affiliate marketing. What do I mean by affiliate marketing over here? Let me first type in something here. Okay, Let's go to phones review to see something. Actually, people create, okay, this is it. All right. Now look here. People create a lot of product. Okay, we have a lot of product on the market, but at the same time, we have a lot of people who talks about it on their YouTube channel. Okay, so look at this guy. He's actually reviewing. Okay, he's actually reviewing. You see, so this channel, sorry, this channel is actually to review about this folding phone. And we have a lot of people who are interested in this kind of phones. They want to have some and a lot more. Affiliate marketing here means that you actually talk of the product. You don't own the product. You don't have anything with it. All that you need to do is talk about it and recommend the phone to other people. When these people buy the phone from other people, actually it's not our phones only, we have a lot of product. So when that person buys it from that particular merchant, you are going to get a commission. You understand? So all that this guy is doing is actually talking about the phone. But in reality, when you come down here, you should see a merchant shop. You see, we have the shop here. That's the merchant. So when you click on this link and buy the phone, which is the folding phone, automatically he is getting a commission. That is not all. When you buy it from Amazon as well, he is getting a commission. So you now have another secret. You understand? You now have a way to monetize your videos. What are you vlogging about? Is it about other products? Is it about a certain topic? We actually have a website where you can get those topics, product about those topics, so that you can also monetize on your blog. When people watch it, they need a solution. They just come and have access to that particular product. And what that means is that you earn a commission anytime. Okay, you earn a commission anytime someone buys it. Okay, so that's what I've told you about. We also have something called reviews, and these reviews, this is the review. For example, you can get some companies who can let you actually create a video for them, but they pay you upfront. That is not when the person rather pays you. Hey, I want you to do a review for me. I'm going to give you $100. I'm going to give you dollars, this dollars. And you can find such kind of people on Fiverr. Okay. Let me just come here. When you go to Fiverr.com, we have a lot. You can actually register over there, have your account over there. People can hire you to do reviews for them and a lot more. You have a channel and all those stuff. You can also, but as far as talking about this, okay, so you can just build a review about certain product and get paid. You just get paid upfront, okay, or after doing it, they pay you. That is just one time. When you do a review, this has been watched 5,563,022 views, and this means that you can actually get people who are interested. They just watch it, they are interested. You understand? And they can purchase it from the merchant down there, and you get your commission anytime. So imagine out of 5 million, how many people bought it from this website? That person is actually taking the cash. That is not all. That is not all. People can hire you to create videos for them and a lot more. We have something called Google Partners. I think that one is the motivation. The monetization, and then we have the other one. You just have to get a lot of people. You just to be having a a lot of audience. Okay, then you can provide them your videos. Then they can donate something for you. You understand? While you're creating the videos, they can be donating out of your work something for you. So we have a lot of ways, either through the AdSense program, the monetization. You can review it. You can do affiliate marketing. You can get paid to review. There is one thing that I love so much out of this: standing before camera creating the videos are always the problem. So this is what I found on the website where you don't actually need to do all these things. Okay, where actually you don't need to do all these things. When you come to this website, okay, when you come to this website, they actually, okay, help you enjoy monthly payments from YouTube. You make money from YouTube with no marketing. Okay, you just choose from millions of done for you videos and make them yours. That's what I like. Already the videos are there, you just pick it, you will arrange it the way you want it, and then you post it at your own video. Instead of you to stand before camera, instead of you to go out there and buy cameras, buy lots of stuff, before you can have videos on your channel, you just need a video editor or something like that to help you program your videos nicely. Then you can post it on your channel. That is why people are making more than 20 something thousand a month out of YouTube. What are you doing? So it's just something, okay, it's just something you can be doing it. It's just simple. It's just simple. And what I'd like from this place is that what I like from this place is that you can actually just look at something. This is an account for someone in 2016, and look, the videos gave him 6,064,229 views. That is not all. The estimated minute watch was 26. Okay, this is 26,210,440. But look at something here. Total estimated earning is 10,131.10. Okay, look at the number of comments, look at the number of their subscribers, and a lot more. And that is what makes the money. Do you understand? That is what makes the money. So the interesting part I am going to tell you is that it is best time you choose this option. If you know you can't have the time, okay, if you know you can't have the time to actually create your own videos and all those things, you can sit down, choose 2-3 videos, and then mix them together. You form your video, you give them a title, and then you post it. Now, once you do that, you're going to get subscribers, you're going to get more people that will like your videos, they will subscribe, and then you will qualify for the YouTube monetization. The same videos, you have some of them that talk about cars and all those things. You can post those videos and then use the affiliate link to sell those cars and get huge commissions. You understand? So we have a lot of things you can get out of there, and then post it there, and then actually put your affiliate links over there. You get commissions from there. You get Google monetization cash from it. You also can actually use it for many other reviews for products and get paid commissions out of there. So this is something you need to pick it up. You need to pick it up. Just in the description part of this video, I am going to post the link to this website. Okay, you just need to click on it down in the description part of the video. Just click on it, you'll be taken to this website where you can actually follow the guidelines and then register. Okay, so without wasting my time, I will end the video here. If you have any comment, any questions, leave it in the comment section. I will be around to actually answer all your questions. Okay, then like the video, at the same time subscribe if you are a newcomer, because new videos are coming, new opportunity, new ways of making money are coming, so that you can look at it and enjoy. Thank you very much for checking on this video. Thank you for being around. Thank you for being around with me. Let's meet in our next video. Thank you.